Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and whether you have device admin rights. This matters because restrictions differ by release. Once you enable developer options and backup key settings, create a secondary user or a work profile if you want separation. Now, open Settings and go straight to Apps. Don't pause. You will need to identify Google Apps to target, so list package names or visible app names. This prevents accidental disabling of essential services. Now you apply restrictions. Add apps to the work profile or configure parental controls and revoke permissions to stop access. If those fail, use a mobile device management app for granular controls. For system Google apps you cannot remove normally, connect via ADB and use the commands to disable or uninstall for the current user. This is powerful, so proceed carefully. Make sure to revoke network and background data after disabling. That closes loopholes and reduces unexpected reactivation. Finish by rebooting and verifying each targeted Google app is disabled in both primary and secondary profiles. This confirms changes stuck. Test functionality in the non-admin profile to ensure no residual access. If an app reappears, it often means Play services restored it. Once done, repeat the ADB disable for the package or temporarily uninstall Play Store updates and redisable. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry the controlled process to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.